Now we have that when it comes to sea route licensing. And we will be focused on the background, the policy intent.
CEO for the Maritime Safety Authority of Fiji and the Acting Director Transport Planning, and participants from the public and private sector. Bulavinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. I'm delighted to be here with you this afternoon to officiate at this consultation on the implementation of sea route licensing. I know this is something that has been talked about for a long time, so I'm glad that we can reach this stage, have this consultation to look into its eventual implementation. I understand early next year, the beginning of the new year. Fiji's international and domestic trade is heavily reliant on the maritime industry, and we have approximately 90% of our trade comes through maritime transport. Government recognizes the importance of the maritime sector because it supports growth, and government is committed to ensure safe, reliable, and affordable shipping services for all Fijians. In this way, the shipping industry is dependent on stakeholders and the public for its effective service delivery. Ladies and gentlemen, shipping has been quite a challenge in Fiji, with unreliable and inconsistent services sometimes that has been a hindrance to trade for maritime dwellers. Fiji's maritime market is classified into two sea route categories, the economical routes and the uneconomical routes. The economical routes are considered to be profitable in nature, and the uneconomical routes have two problems: low volume of cargo and low passenger volume also, which makes them unprofitable in nature. Hence, private shipping companies are not attracted to service them. Hence, the implementation of sea route licensing on economical routes is this government's intent to schedule shipping services under the Maritime Transport Act 2012 and Maritime Coastal Trading License Regulation 2014. So, sea route license is a license issued to allow Fiji ships to engage in trade within selected economical sea routes of Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, the implementation of the sea route licensing is aimed at regulating and administering locally registered shipping operations within the territorial waters of the Fiji Islands to facilitate a regular and reliable shipping service. This will further support increased economic activity in the maritime islands and, most importantly, encourage the efficient and timely usage of government port facilities. Government will continue to improve establishing safety rules and standards for all actors and operators in the maritime sector through the processing and implementation of the Safe Ship Management System, which I'm sure that you're all aware of. The sea route licensing is earmarked to be implemented by January 2020. And during this consultation, I urge all of you to contribute constructively with the Ministry and the relevant agencies to ensure the successful implementation of sea route licensing. In the past months, government has been emphasizing the safety of passengers at sea is paramount, and you'll have noticed there's been quite a lot of debate in Parliament on this particular issue. Therefore, we as regulators, administrators, service providers, and users of our service have due care and diligence which calls for close integration and collaboration. I would like to assure you all on government's commitments and support towards the successful implementation of sea route licensing. And with those few words, I wish you the very best in your deliberation for this afternoon. Thank you, and Minaw Walib.